Ciao everyone! Welcome to Anna's Passion! Today, magbe-bake tayo na tong special chocolate nutted buns na na-love at first taste ako. So, let's get baking. Let's start by making the dough. This dough is rich in fats, meaning we will use a lot of butter and also eggs. Pero kahit rich dough siya, it's very easy to work with kasi firm and smooth ito, not sticky. So, in a mixing bowl, ilagay ang warm milk. Kung nasa winter or cold weather kayo, and you can use room temperature milk if you are in summer or hot weather. Then 50 grams caster sugar. Then 2 fresh eggs. Then mix lang natin ito. Then add the yeast. I'm using fresh yeast. Please check the description below for conversions to instant or active dry yeast. Tutunawin lang natin ito sa liquid. Once nag-melt na ang yeast, pwede nang ilagay ang medium to strong flour. Mag-iiwan tayo ng half cup para mamaya sa pag-knead. Medium to strong flour typically contains 11 to 13% ng protein per 100 grams. Ito yung mga bread flour, Manitoba, or Tipo Zero. So, i-mix ito muna gamit ang spatula. Then, mamaya, gagamit na tayo ng kamay. But, if you are using dough mixer, just combine all the ingredients sa mixing bowl. Then, put at low speed for 4 minutes hanggang sa makombine. Then, higher or increase the speed sa medium. And then, mix nyo to hanggang yung dough ninyo ay maghiwalay na or humiwalay na sa gilid ng inyong bowl. Ilagay na rin pala natin ang salt. Imimix natin ito hanggang makita nyo na ang dough ninyo ay shaggy na. Pag ganito na yung itsura ng dough ninyo, yan, we can start to add the butter. So for the butter, ang gamit natin ay not soft, but cold butter. Firm pa siya. So, ang gagawin natin para mapalambot ng bahagya, gamit ang rolling pin, pupukpukin lang natin to bago natin ilagay sa ating dough. So, yan. Napipi na siya. Na-flat na natin. So, kahit kamayin nyo na lang. So, gradually nyo ito ilalagay sa inyong dough. Combine. Once na ilagay na lahat ng butter, we can transfer on our work surface. Mag-dust muna tayo ng harina. Then, ininid natin ito hanggang sa maging smooth na and firm. Pag ninid nyo siya, akala nyo sticky. Pero, yung texture ng dough na ito ay firm. Look. Sa una, mukha lang siyang sticky. Pero after 3 minutes ng pagninid ng ganito, katulad ng ginagawa ko, nakikita nyo, nag-firm na kagad siya. Yung nagiging smooth na agad siya. And humihiwalay agad siya sa kamay. Continue lang kayo sa pagmasa. Then, pag dumidikit na siya, Just scrape. Then, add the flour. Look, smooth na ito at almost ready na. So, after 7 to 8 minutes, ito na ang dough natin. Very smooth. Right? So, yan. Ito-transfer na natin ito sa bowl. Then, cover with plastic wrap or damp cloth, mamasamasang kitchen towel, and rest for 1 to 1.5 hours until almost double in volume. Around 70 to 80% ng volume. Once nag 70 to 80% na yung volume nito, hindi doble. Yan. Pag pininch nyo yan, kita nyo, hindi agad siya bumabalik or nag-spring back. It means ready na ang dough. So, just lightly dust our working surface. We are still using yung flour na nireserve natin kanina. Then, i-transfer ang dough. Okay. Flatten using your hands. Then, using your rolling pin, o diba, jumbo, ifo-flatten natin ito or isi-shape natin to into a big rectangle. Look how beautiful our dough. So soft. Itong long edge is facing you. And get your icing spatula. We are ready to spread our chocolate cream. Ako, I'm using Nutella. Nutella, baka naman. Or kahit anong gusto nyong cream na gamitin for your nutted chocolate buns. So, yan. Yan. Okay. Spread your Nutella all over your dough. Pero, yung ilalagay nyo is wag thick. Yung thin layer lang. Para hindi kayo mahihirapan mamaya pag ginawa nyo na siyang, pag binraid nyo na siya or shinape. You can also use this dough for your cinnamon rolls. So, you can use this dough for your Spanish bread, diba? After spreading your cream, ifo-fold itong upper edge papunta sa center. Then press. Then itong lower edge, fold it over. Then, lightly roll your dough with your rolling pin. Yan. Then, cut into half. Half, okay. After cutting, get your rolling pin. Parchment paper. Yan. Okay. Then cover with parchment paper. Mamaya explain ko sa inyo kung bakit. Then, i-transfer dito sa baking pan. Then, ilagay sa freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. But this is optional but helpful. Kasi pag malamig yung dough ninyo, mas mabilis trabahuin. Mamaya pag shinape nyo yan ng warm yung chocolate, makalat siya, medyo messy. So, mas magandang i-freeze muna ito before working with your dough. So, freeze natin. After 15 minutes sa freezer, pwede na natin itong i-cut and i-braid. So, yan, kunin natin itong isa. Bago i-cut, i-brush muna natin ng oil or melted butter itong muffin tray. Ako, ang gamit ko ay melted butter. So now we are ready to cut our dough. So, i-cut natin itong dulo para straight. Huwag niyong itapon ito, pwede niyong isama mamaya sa pag-bake. So, i-cut natin ito into strips. Yung sukat is 3.5 to 4 centimeters wide. Itong dough natin ay makakagawa ng 14 to 16 pieces ng buns. Siyempre, gamit ang sharp knife, i-cut ang dough. Kumuha ng isa. Lagay dyan. Then, ika-cut natin ito into 3. Pag-iwan tayo ng mga half centimeter. 1 and 3. I-braid natin. O, diba? Mas mabilis siyang trabahuin pag malamig. And I advise to work quickly as possible para hindi mag-warm or matunaw ang chocolate. Yan, pagdikitin nyo itong kabilang dulo. Then, itong sa taas, roll to create knot. Okay. Good. How beautiful. And nilagay sa muffin tray. Okay. Itong seam edge is facing you. Once matapos nyo ng i-shape lahat, cover and let them rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And itong tinrim natin sa gilid, huwag nyong itatapon. Siyempre, masamang magtapon. I-bake nyo din. Isama nyo. Ayan. I-roll nyo yan. Then, ilagay sa muffin tray. Ayan na yung final rest. Ready na ang ating chocolate nuts. Look at that! So cute! Before i-load sa oven, magbabrush tayo ng egg glaze. 1 egg and 1 tablespoon ng milk. So kung wala na kayong egg, pwedeng milk lang. Kung wala namang milk, pwedeng egg lang. Kaya nilalagyan ko siya ng milk para smooth yung pag-brush ninyo. Hindi masyadong mas sticky or malapot. I-bake ito sa preheated oven for 13 to 15 minutes. ready na ang ating buns. After loading sa oven, i-stay nyo muna sa muffin tray for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, i-transfer nyo sa cooling rack to cool completely. For the final touch, meron kayong 2 options. First, while they are still hot, brush with simple syrup na sugar and water, 1:1. And then second, cool completely, then sprinkle with powdered sugar. So there you have it, guys, our gorgeous, delicious, nutted chocolate buns. So bubukas tayo ng isa, papakita ko sa inyo yung loob. Super lambot. Look at that. Wow. Super lambot. I hope you give this recipe a try, lalong-lalo na ngayong darating na Christmas and New Year. So Merry Christmas, lovely viewers! May your holidays filled with love, joy, and happiness. God bless us all, and thank you so much for watching. Ciao for now!